How to remove your account from another PS5. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your account from another PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove your PlayStation account from some other consoles or PlayStations, what you want to do is you have to log into your PlayStation account from a specific browser. So whether you're on mobile or whether you're on PC, just open up your browser, go to playstation.com. I will also make sure to drop a link below. And when you go to playstation.com, just scroll down and then look for your region and then just select your region. After you select your region, next step will require you to sign into your PlayStation account. So go ahead and do that. Once you've signed it, tap on your PlayStation account icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then once you tap on the icon, you'll find the option called account settings. Just tap on the account settings button again, and when you go to the option called account settings over here, on the next specific page you will see different types of information. So let me go ahead and do that as well. So over here you'll see this information where you have to go to the tab called security, and then here you'll find the option called you will go to another page. So just tap on the continue button over here, and then once you tap on the continue button over here, it will ask you for a couple of other details. But if you scroll down and if you want to remove someone from your PlayStation account, then what you want to do is just scroll down, choose the option called sign out on all devices. This will log your PlayStation account out of all of the devices where your PlayStation account is logged in. So just tap on the OK button and your account will be successfully removed from all the other devices. And that's all it takes to remove your account from another PS5. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.